Hi, I'm Paul from RegaLead, and today I would like to introduce our latest piece of equipment, the UVB85, designed specifically for the bonding of glass bevels. Over 25 years ago, we changed the way decorative glass customers bonded bevels with the original UVTech equipment. Faster, more accurate cure times, controlled UV light exposure, and increased factory throughput. The UVTech FSU became the industry standard equipment with over 800 units sold. The UVB85 is our next generation of equipment and is a significant step up in terms of electronics, functionality, and running costs. The latest equipment is available in this single size with a cure area of 1190mm by 380mm. It is very similar in size to our old FSU Elite machine, ample for customers looking to manufacture decorative bevel door units. For those oversized jobs, we can supply a set of setting blocks which take larger glass panels. Although it is similar in size to the last generation machines, it is much lighter and it's been designed so it can be easily moved and stored when not in use. The UVB85 benefits from more modern electronics with a clear LCD screen on the control panel, split into two zones, white light for when using the bench as a light box and UV for bevel bonding. In white light mode, the bench offers a bright, even light source, ideal for leading and filming. However, the intensity of the light can be adjusted, perfect for when needing to see through highly opaque films. When it comes to bevel bonding, the UVB85 is the perfect way to bond bevels, both for speed and bond quality. Curing from below has always been our recommended method, as it ensures no light dispersion or refraction through the bevel glass pieces, giving an even, controlled amount of UV light. The LED lights in the new unit do not need time to heat up and deliver instant UV light. The equipment has a very simple to operate countdown timer, and you can see that the bevel is firmly bonded and the excess is still wet. Ideal state for cleaning up the excess. This is followed by a second 15-second final cure. The key difference in this bench from our older UVTech machine is the use of low power LED lamps rather than the long UV tubes. LED technology not only cuts down the running cost by almost 40%, but it brings an end to the ongoing cost of replacement tubes. The LEDs in the UVB85 are designed to last 10 years, even for the heaviest users. There you have it, the UVB85 UV curing and lightbox combination unit, the next generation of light bench for the decorative glass market. Faster cure times, more portable, lower running costs, and no need for expensive replacement tubes. Our sales team are happy to come out to any customers in the UK and Ireland to demonstrate this great piece of equipment, or you are welcome to come and see it in operation at our sites in Manchester, Hoyk and Hamilton.